Hello students. So today we will continue our chapter that is Priyanka's little turtle. Okay. So let's see what happens. So in the last class you have learned that Priyanka started to behave very differently and she started to have all the good behaviors and she stopped all the bad behavior. So this made grandmother very curious. So grandmother think about that what was going on. So let's begin what happens next. Okay. So in fact she seemed to avoid getting in the way of the old lady. She eyed Priyanka with suspicion when she was politely asked for cabbage and bits of vegetable leftovers. So grandmother continued to doubt Priyanka when she tried to finish her homework with great difficulty, and there was no complaints from school either. So what happens that? So nowadays she used to avoid her grandmother and she started to behave very nicely and this way. Okay. So grandma very curious and she eyed Priyanka. That means when Priyanka asked for some very politely to the grandmother to give some cabbage and all the vegetables leftovers to her, and this became grandmother very curious and suspicion that what is going on, that is it something a different plan of Priyanka to play some mischief. So all these kinds of things doubted grandmother, and grandmother continued doubt Priyanka that when she completed her all her homework with great difficulty, and even there is no complaint from school either. So this made grandmother very doubtful about Priyanka. So, for once, Priyanka had someone to talk to. Kitty seemed to listen to her, and there was no time to play pranks anymore, either in school or at home. She listened to the lessons being taught and she did her homework quickly and intelligently. So, the behavior of Priyanka changed because she has someone to talk to, and even the turtle started to become fond of Priyanka and she seemed to listen to her. So now, as that the turtle was growing in her home and Priyanka stopped all her pranks earlier. So, whatever she used to do in her school. So, stop all that, and even at home whatever she used to do and all these things she stopped and listened to the lessons whatever she taught in the school, and all the homeworks she used to complete in time everything. So all this kind of behavior are strange for her grandmother, but nobody realized that the real reason for Priyanka's good behavior was that she was happy and felt loved and had someone to love. So, the real reason for this good behavior of Priyanka is that she is very happy and she felt love, and there is someone for her to be loved and someone to talk to. So, all these things make her very happy, and this way I complete the chapter. Okay. So, this is the thing, that is the connection between a child, between of the child, that means the Priyanka, and the tiny turtle name is Kirti Varman. Okay. So with this I complete the chapter, that is the Priyanka's little turtle. So thank you so much students.